Looking for the best ductless air conditioners of 2023? Look no further. We'll show you which models are the most popular and what features they offer. So don't wait any longer. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Senville 24CD Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat. This ductless air conditioner is one of the greatest all-around products on the market because to its capacity to heat as well as chill, a modern design, and ultra-quiet operation. It can heat or cool an area up to 1,500 square feet thanks to its 24,000 BTU. Additionally, it is among the quieter variants available. It only makes 32 decibels when in its whisper quiet setting, which is about the same volume as a whisper. The device is controlled via a remote control that has several settings. The user can specify a shut-off time using a timer. Throughout the night, the sleep mode gradually raises the room's temperature. A turbo setting, for example, activates the system at maximum strength to quickly cool the space. At number 2 is Della 12,000 BTU Mini Split Air Conditioner. This Della unit is a great choice for people wishing to chill a room or garage on a tight budget thanks to its quiet operation, considerable coverage for its size, and a number of remarkable user features. The 12,000 BTU output of this model, which is sufficient to heat 550 square feet, makes up for its relatively low price. A remote control has several different modes, including sleep, energy saving, follow me, and a 24-hour timer, and enables the user to change the temperature settings. A range of 31 to 40 decibels, depending on how hard the air conditioner is working, can be heard when using this air conditioner. One of the smaller models on the market is this model's inside unit. At number 3 is Cooper and 109,000 BTU Ductless AC/heating system. Smaller spaces like a bedroom or den can be cooled without a system with a high BTU output. This smaller model can manage up to 400 square feet with its 9,000 BTU. It is also one of the more streamlined ductless mini splits at 30 inches wide. This Wi-Fi ready variant can also be controlled by a smartphone in addition to a remote control. The majority of the functions found in larger models are also present, such as a 24-hour timer, a sleep mode, and a turbo mode for quick heating or cooling. The user can control the airflow by using horizontal louvers, along with various handy auto maintenance options. This air conditioner has an auto clean feature that stops mildew from growing inside the unit and an auto reset mode for power outages. At number 4 is MRCOOL DIY 24 BTU Ductless Heat Pump Split System. This model is the perfect addition to a smart home because to its smart technologies and simple installation. The Wi-Fi smart kit that comes with this ductless air conditioner enables the user to manage the system from any location using a smart device or a virtual assistant like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. This functionality makes it simple to regulate the temperature to warm or cool a space, so it's ready for use when you arrive because it allows the user to control the system from almost anywhere. This system is not only simpler to set up and has smart technological controllability. This type can be installed without the use of specific tools or training, in contrast to many ductless air conditioners, making it a great alternative for those looking to save installation expenses. This device can heat or cool a room up to 1,000 square feet with its 24,000 BTU output. At number 5 is Daikin 18,000 BTU Ductless AC Heat Pump. For heating or cooling a garage or basement that is not a part of a home's HVAC system, a ductless AC system is frequently a smart alternative. This Daikin model is great for cooling down or warming up those spaces, making them more pleasant on hot or cold days. It has an output of 18,000 BTU and can service up to 1,000 square feet. The ductless air conditioner from Daikin has a number of practical mode options, such as a power mode that quickly cools or heats a space, perfect for spaces that only need to be kept at a certain temperature when in use, as well as an auto shut-off timer, a power-saving setting, and a quiet mode that enables it to run at noise levels as low as 37 decibels. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.